In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up and export your Zoho mail in just 5 minutes. This is a really straightforward process, but it's essential to ensure all your important emails are safely stored. So let's dive right in. First, we're going to need to open up our web browser. It doesn't matter whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, whatever you're most comfortable with. In the search bar, you're going to type in Zoho and hit Enter. Now, when those search results come up, you want to click on the first link you see. Typically, this should be the one with zoho.com in the URL. Once the home page of Zoho loads, you'll want to log in if you already have an account. If you're new to Zoho, you'll need to sign up for an account. The login process is straightforward. Just enter your credentials and you should be in no time. Once successfully logged in, look for Zoho Mail and select it. This will take you straight to the Zoho Mail dashboard, where all the magic is going to happen. Make sure you're in the right place by confirming you can see your email folders and usual mail interface. Up next, you're going to look for the little gear icon somewhere on the page. This is your settings icon. Click that, and a whole bunch of options will be displayed. From these options, we're going to select Import, Export Emails. Once you're in the Import-Export section, you'll want to locate the Export section. Here you'll see the option to choose which folder or folders you want to export. Make sure you select the folders that contain emails you wish to back up. After choosing your folders, decide on the date range for the export. Zoho gives you the flexibility to either select a specific range or export all emails in a folder. Choose whichever option suits your needs best. If you want to make sure that subfolders within the main folders are exported too, there's an option available to include subfolders. Make sure to check that box if it's relevant to your export. Once you've set everything up just right, go ahead and click Export. Now, Zoho will compile your emails and send you an email containing a download link for a zip file with your data. Keep an eye on your inbox for that email. It contains a link that lets you download your exported emails. Remember, this download link will only be available for 30 days, so don't delay in grabbing your file. And there you have it. You've successfully backed up and exported your Zoho mail, ensuring your emails are safely stored for future reference. Thanks for following along, and happy emailing.